大家好，我是 Oliver Branch Allen. So you might be hearing about the terms microbiome or your gut flora or probiotics, and you're just wondering what exactly are they. I'm going to explain to you exactly how probiotics can improve your gut health, as well as your general health, and even as far away as your skin. So the word microbiome also has other names as well. You might have also heard of gut flora or your microflora or even your microbiota. They all mean the same thing, and that's basically all the bacteria that's living in your intestines, in your gut, in the lining of your intestines. You might have also heard of the word probiotics or even prebiotics. Probiotics are just simply bacteria that's now encapsulated in capsule form that you ingest. You can also find them in naturally occurring in fermented foods. So there are many strains of bacteria or probiotics, and they all serve a different purpose and function when they're in your gut. So how does taking probiotics actually enhance your health? Well, when you're taking probiotics, they first have to survive the journey to your gut. So that means going through your esophagus, down your stomach, through the stomach acids, and then finally making it into the intestines. And so that at that point, they actually can join the population of your intestinal microflora. You can also think of it as population. Your gut has so many different types of bacteria. It's kind of like a jungle of different species. And so when they join that species, they can have their own tribe or they can be on their own. And you need to understand that there are always good bacteria as well as bad bacteria. The bad bacteria actually works together to make you sick, whereas the good bacteria, they compete with the bad bacteria for the resources, such as their food that you're eating. They can actually feed your bad or your good bacteria. So how is your immune system actually affected by your microbiome? Well, if you think of your blood system, your bloodstream, as your home compound, your resident compound, the lining of your intestine is actually kind of like the baoan. So they're like the security. It allows certain things to get through, but a lot of the bad things do not go through. So you need to understand that when you eat things, it's going down 1 tube from your mouth all the way through your stomach and out through your bum. That's called your gastrointestinal tract. It's a closed system. And that's basically all the things that you're taking in from the outside that you're bringing into your body. It stays in a closed system until it goes out when you eliminate it. And through that journey, the baoan will decide what to let in and what to keep out. So when you're taking probiotics, as I said, it actually helps the lining of your intestine, your baoan. So how does the microbiome affect skin health? Well, there's actually a study that shows atopic dermatitis, also known as eczema, is actually an autoimmune disease, which means your immune system is actually attacking your skin. It's inflamed, it attacks your skin, which causes the itchy redness. Now, when you take probiotics, the study actually shows that it trains the immune system to not be so reactive to your own body cells. So some of the good properties of a good probiotic supplement, such that the strain is important. The type of bacteria, as I mentioned earlier, they have different functions. So the supplement should actually have a certain type of strain that has been shown to be useful, as well as the number of probiotics in there. Again, you want to have a lot to help your good bacteria in your gut, and so that they can survive the journey. The more the merrier. And lastly, actually, and the most importantly, is diversity. You want to have many different types of strain. Variety is actually very beneficial for your gut flora. If you're concerned about your microbiome health, then the best strategy is still to have a very good diet, which includes eating lots of fruits and vegetables that are particularly fibrous, as well as fermented vegetables that already have a lot of probiotics in them. However, if you can't manage a good diet or you just are having a hard time, then probiotic supplementation is proving to be a very beneficial strategy and option for you. So that's it, guys. I hope you found that useful. As always, please leave any questions or comments below, and I'll see you next time.